Well, we're back on the Mustang and we're getting it started and gonna test it out today. So we're going for a little ride. Oh yeah, sounds good. We got one little vacuum leak, but other than that, it's coming together. Maybe we need to tune up, change the plugs. I'll head back up first. Spider-Man. You got it on my side. You got a foot and a half, 2 feet. You're fine. Just watch that corner. You're good over here too. You're all the way down. Perfect. And we off. Does that work? Nothing's working here? I gotta check that next, huh? Used to work. Could be a fuse or something. We'll figure it out. Oh, yours works, huh? Take her around the block. Oh, you got a little brakes. You got the brakes. I'll go left and just... Oh yeah, it's better. I can tell. You happy, huh?
Yeah.
Look at him. Woo! I knew that was it. So more power than the Trans Am, or no? You don't know yet. Watch out, there's one coming here.
Oh, brother.
Damn it, it runs good. I bet the guy didn't have it like this. I know he didn't have it like this. Oh yeah, it wants some, it's not woken up. It didn't shift like that, did it? It didn't chirp him.
No more stumble.
Okay, all right. Well, you're happy. We got to do a tune up on it and fix this window and fix that leak next. I want to get the vacuum lines perfect too, but I mean it'll be like a new car if you take care of it after I'm done.
Kind of going on the main track a little bit.
Yeah.
For a couple
Since
streets.
you don't have a tag. Well, yeah, you can do it off here. It's at 54. How's your fluid? Do you check your fluid real well? You got good fluid?
Yeah, everything's pretty good.
And we're about at 800. I think we got a little vacuum leak, but it's not a biggie. Watch how it's gonna turn it for you. Damn, it runs, buddy. It runs good. Oh shit, I'm glad we got it going. I knew that was it.
Yeah, it takes full throttle now.
You gotta take the old lady for a ride.
Yes.
Say, I think he fixed it and then let it off and let it start going sideways a little bit.
You fixed it. Man, that's great.
Glad you're happy, brother. Yeah, it runs great. It runs great. You got a good car. Now you happy you traded your Jeep?
Yeah, I'm okay now.
Okay, you're okay now. I'm
Can't
glad.
do that 4-cylinder.
Yeah. Well, I believe you have the power now. Yeah, we gotta fix your brakes and shit next.
It's pretty good though.
Yeah, no, it's badass. It's right. It's right. You don't want to go home, do you?
Just one more block.
One more block.
Man, that's amazing without this.
The computer.
I mean, it's gonna stumble
it was
anymore.
a shit. It was a miss. It was, yeah. I think you tune it up, it'll run amazing. My Cobra runs about like this. Don't run as good as this, actually. Right now I have a transmission problem in mine. Watch out, there's a dip here. Oh, also on this car, it's lowered on inclines. You gotta watch the front and back, you know what I mean? Go on an angle.
Yeah.
so they don't rip the bumper off.
Especially when they do the back springs.
Yeah, because it's going to be a lot lower. That's why I wanted to wait till you drive it to do the springs, just to make sure everything was straight in the back before we swap springs. Watch out, watch out. Oh, shit. I thought you were about to lose it. This thing's fucking badass, dude. Damn, it runs good, buddy. Remember the bottom as well. Yeah, pull her in there and watch your caddy. Come to my side, you're good. Okay, so let me grab my low profile jack. We'll jack her up. Well, this concludes the video.